All right, let's do some technical analysis on Bitcoin and a few other coins. Uh, yeah, I see Bitcoin is actually going up quite a lot right now. Hmm. So obviously, during the past 2 weeks or so, I mean, Bitcoin has gone down a little bit, uh, 30%, I believe, from the top. Yeah, about 31%. But that's quite normal. That's quite normal in the crypto market. We have seen that during the past bull run. Let's see if I can find that right here. Okay, so let's check what happened in 2017. Where was that? Wait, why is this only showing? I have to use the weekly, I guess. Yeah, so this was the start of like the first rally in 2015. Uh, so it started at like $198, which is nothing right now, and then we topped out at 354, and then we have this huge, huge crash here, like 40%, which is higher than we have right now, and it just recovered from that. This blue line is the 12 MIA and the red one is the 26 MIA. Hello, Victor. And you can see that the 26 MIA has always been like defended like throughout the 2015-2017 run. Uh, we never lost the 26 MIA. Like, yeah, we actually never lost the 26 MIA. It's a strong support level. Yep. The first time we lost it was January 2019, and that was basically the end of the run. Now, in 2020, we actually did lose or rather 2021, although this is not updated right now because this is the weekly. Well, I mean, we didn't lost the weekly 26 MA actually, so that's why this crash right now it's not that impressive. It is a 30% crash, but uh, as we as we said, like it's not the end of the world. I mean, we are up like what, like just from September we're up like 325%, and now 231%. It's still a lot. So as long as we hold this 12 MIA and definitely this 26 MIA, we're fine. So yeah, Bitcoin could go down to 27,000 and it will be fine, and it could go down to 21,000, although obviously that's not something we really want, but it could go down to hello Madden, could go down to 21,000, and you could still continue with the run from there. Like you could just go down here and then maybe a lower high, maybe a higher low, and then a breakout to new highs. But anyways, now on the daily chart, uh, yeah, I mean the momentum has shifted a little bit in favor of the bears because we did lose the 26 MIA on the daily chart, and both MIAs are close to a bearish cross as well. So yeah, I mean obviously that's in favor of the bears right now. But if we manage to just climb again above the 26 MIA and see a new high above 40,000, it's everything's gonna be fine for the bulls. The RSI obviously was extremely overextended here, but now has cooled off significantly. But it's still not like it's still far away from 30, so it could definitely still go down. I mean, today is actually quite important, because if we get rejected from the 26 MIA, then we are probably gonna go down again to retest the 30,000 support level. 21-week MIA. Let's check that one. You mean this one? Yeah, I mean it's close to, yeah, but yeah, definitely. I mean, as long as we hold this one, we're fine. So this one is 22,800. It's probably gonna be 24 or something in the next few weeks. But this is good because this was increasing bull volume, and then on this pullback we have decreasing bear volume, so that's good. Ethereum right now, it is outperforming Bitcoin though. Yeah, so yeah, Ethereum had a huge breakout against Bitcoin in the past week. Uh, so definitely outperforming Bitcoin right now. But the newest Ethereum all-time high wasn't as great. I mean, it just lasted for like a few hours and then just all the way down. But we're also holding these MIAs on the daily chart again. So uh, it looks like it's just gonna do a higher low here and then just into a new all-time high. So yeah, I mean 1,500 is basically the resistance level. I'm always keeping an eye on this one because people are depositing a lot of Ethereum in the ATH 2.0 contract. That's 2,800,000 Ethereum right now, worth almost 4 billion. So, I mean, that's a lot of Ethereum that is just locked, and it's just not gonna get unlocked in like a year or 2 years. I don't know if it's 2 years or 1 year, but anyways, it's a long time. So, and that's like 2.7% of the total supply of Ethereum. And then there's also like 7 million Ethereum locked in DeFi protocols and projects like Uniswap and all of those. So I mean, as long as this just goes up, so I mean clearly, like they're not concerned about the price. So also whales have been buying a lot of Ethereum lately, and Ethereum on exchanges is also really low, which means people are not selling. So this just like it's gonna break 1,500 eventually, but maybe Bitcoin, if Bitcoin goes down again, maybe it will stop Ethereum a little bit, but I think overall Ethereum is just gonna outperform Bitcoin in the next like few months. Yeah, XRP XRP is not doing well, but I mean I don't think XRP is gonna do anything really until the SEC, like until we have like confirmation that it's not a security or it is a security. I don't think anything is gonna happen with it. I mean the volume is just dead right now. The volume for XRP has been like going down a lot lately. Please, sir. So is the volume now 2 billion, right? Okay, so I'm gonna chart it one. Why is it not working? Well, anyways, it was like 40 billion. Like 3 weeks ago, it was like 40 billion, and now it's like 2. So obviously, I mean, the market cap also went down to like 9 or 10 billion from like, again, 30 billion. So, I mean, there's not much to this one. I mean, the 12 MI is acting as a resistance level so far, but even if we break that, I don't think that's gonna do anything. Again, I mean, who's gonna buy a lot of XRP right now? It's just it's a huge risk. Now, one of the biggest gainers has been Uniswap. Yeah, Uniswap has done amazingly in the past like month or so. It's just all-time highs like every single day, which is amazing, honestly, because what is the Uniswap is like ranked what, like 13? Yeah, 13. I mean, that's huge. It's honestly amazing because most of the Uniswap was just airdrop to people, so I don't even understand how it just went up. Because I mean, when you get free stuff, you just sell it, and then somehow just manage to manage to go up. I mean, after obviously at first it just went up to 8 and then just crashed to 2. I mean, that's just people selling, but then it's just recovered and basically doubled in price. And obviously there's not a lot of resistance right now, so who knows? I mean, this might go to $20 easily. Easily. I mean, all the FI coins are doing a lot right now. Chainlink also doing new all-time highs. Synthetics as well. Maker, Compound. I mean, all of them are up. SushiSwap is also doing like really, really well. Terra is doing really well, really, really well as well. This one is honestly a good project. Uh, if you guys haven't tried to, if you haven't tried Luna or Terra, really, it works really nice. It's faster than Ethereum. It's was it 1/10? It's $0.001 per transaction, so a tenth of a cent basically. Meanwhile, they're paying like $50 per transaction on Ethereum. So yeah, I mean everything is just going up like 40%, 10%, 12%. But surprisingly, the market cap of altcoins is still not up a lot. Um, see if this charges. I mean, it's loading a little bit. So yeah, well, I mean, damn, today, but what was that spike? That was a huge spike there. I think that's just an error. So anyways, what is it like? 358 billion, right? That this is excluding Bitcoin, right? And the all-time high was like 550 billion. So we're still 200 billion down from the all-time high. And now we have more altcoins. We have stable coins that just USDT is like what, 20 something billion adding to this. So there's still a lot of room to go up, man. I mean, most of the new market cap is just thanks to Bitcoin, but the altcoin market is still, I mean, obviously the alt season it's kind of like a meme, but at the same time it does make sense. I mean, once Bitcoin starts to just calm down or go sideways or even crash, a lot of that money will just go into. Yeah, I know Nano doesn't have any fees, but isn't Nano just I mean Terra is like it's a different kind of platform. It's not Nano is just for payments, right? So Terra is like a Ethereum 2.0. I mean, you basically build on Terra like projects and stuff. But yeah, Nano is definitely you don't have any fees. It's getting a lot of attention as well. I mean, look at this spike in volume. Jesus, that's insane. That's like from from 4 million in volume to like 100. No, to like 1 billion. Yeah, that's insane. It has been getting a lot of attention lately. I mean, what is this spike? 450%. Yeah, that's insane. And now it's just trading sideways, and it seems like it just broke out of like some sort of pattern here. So it's probably gonna do a new. Well, it's not a new all-time high, but a new high compared to this one. Well, I mean, maybe not. I mean, still have like this is probably like around here. There's like a little bit of resistance here, but it's most likely just gonna go down a little bit and then just break it. There's a lot of volume on this spike here, so it's looking like it's just gonna break through 4 and then just 5. What's the all-time high of this? Ooh, Jesus. Yeah, $32 is the all-time high, so we're still down a lot. But what was the market cap of this? Oh, it's only 4 billion. Yeah, I mean, it can definitely reach 4 billion again. I mean, 4 billion is not that much. I'm your favorite crypto influencer. Thank you. Yeah, if you guys wanna check like a specific coin, you can just type it in chat. Polkadot, yeah, I mean, Dot is also doing quite well lately. There's still not that many projects built on Polkadot. I think what's funny really is that many of the projects like built on Polkadot, they're just like Ethereum tokens. So it's like, is it really built on Polkadot or is it just like an Ethereum token? Yeah, so this one is also close to a new all-time high here. And it's probably gonna hit it as well because there's not a lot of resistance right now. Uh, Seems like we're just changing the 4-hour uptrend right now, or rather the downtrend into an uptrend. But yeah, all of these coins, like there's not a lot of resistance for these coins, so they're most likely just gonna go up. But as I said, the total market cap is still fairly low, so there's still a lot of room for growth. Stellar also doing quite well lately. I mean, I'm sure Dogecoin is just fucking insane. I mean, I don't even know what caused the last Dogecoin pump. Was it Elon Musk tweeting again? I mean, this is just ridiculous. Or maybe it was the Reddit group. Was this like 300%? Yeah, almost 300%. So, I mean, this coin is um, just insane. Not a lot of TA on this coin. I mean, it's just it had a lot another like this candlestick is just so stupid. But this see on January 2 there was another one of these like weird pumps, and this one I believe it was because of Elon Musk tweeting about it. Sorry, I was just talking to someone. So yeah, I mean this coin has a lot of weird pumps. So it's kind of hard to trade again like one of these like huge pumps right here. But after each one of these, it just seems like it just goes down. So, you know, see, we have another one here and then down, another one here and down. And now, after this one, we're probably just gonna fall to here again. But, I mean, overall, it's still up a lot. And I mean, it has a 3 billion market cap, so it's doing quite well as well. Compound also doing well, yeah. Bitcoin was also close to a breakout, I think. Yeah, Doge can be shorted. You can do it on Binance, and I'm sure you can do it on most exchanges. But you can do it on Binance in futures. What was the? Yeah, see, so Binance, CoinTiger, FTX, and Huobi. So you can short it in all of these four. But I mean, well, I mean, yeah, I mean, probably it's a good idea to short it now, but you never know. I mean, you definitely want to have a stop loss to not get absolutely destroyed by one of these weird pumps. Yeah, I mean, it is easy gains, yeah, but yeah, but well, I wouldn't call it a rejection just yet. I mean, we can still just go down and then up. I mean, for me right now, as long as we hold like this MIA on the 1 hour chart, even if we go down to like this, then we can still go up. But if we break like the 26 MIA on the 1 hour chart and on the 4 hour chart as well, then yeah, I will call that a rejection. Well, a lot of people thought GameStop was a a good short opportunity as well. Today was wild on the stock market. This stock is just insane. I mean, going from 469 to 126 is like more volatile than crypto. And it's crazy because I think Robinhood just made it impossible to buy this stock. So that's kind of like a little bit of market manipulation. So yeah, I mean, there's definitely some rejection right now, but yeah, Ethereum also did like just tried to pass 1,350 and got rejected as well. Oh yeah, this one is also very interesting. Elrond has been doing quite well since it started. Oops, delete that. The graph as well. The graph is just going up again. Uh, it's still up a lot because the private sale was like 0.033, so it's still up a lot. And that's quite impressive because this was a full unlock for all the private buyers. So everyone just had all the coins and somehow it just went to 0.78. I don't know why, but it did. Now this kind of looks like a symmetrical triangle, right? We just have like, although I guess probably just tried to break it and then just got rejected there. So that's not looking too good, but it was probably because of Bitcoin going down. So there's still a chance for this to just break out. Again, there's not a lot of resistance on the way up, so. And this is a good coin as well. It's backed by Coinbase and many exchanges. Ooh. So USDT trying to pump Bitcoin again. I'm actually a little bit concerned about USDT. I hope they don't go down, man, because that will be bad for the entire crypto community. But we'll see what happens. I've been trying to find some Euro stable coins, but there are not many. There's this one, which I think is just the most popular one. Oh, yeah, Stasis Euro. But you can see the volume is like nothing. But yeah, I believe this one is the most popular one. And I have been using this one a little bit, but it's not accepted everywhere. Yeah, Uniswap, Bitfinex. But it is quite good. I think there's also this one. Oh, how was this one? Yeah, I guess that one is not even here. I don't even know what this one is. But yeah, a lot of people are coming up with stable coins right now. Oh, this one has also been quite volatile in the past like month or so. I don't know what do I have here drawn. It is painful, yeah. Oh yeah, it's like a parallel channel that we have here. So this has been going on since November, and it was really close a couple of times to just break down, but every time it just got defended and then rejected, defended, rejected, defended, and now it seems like we're defending again. So it's probably gonna go up to 40,000, but we need to climb first above the 12 MIA. But yeah, this is a good entry opportunity. I mean, if you're an aggressive bull, you can just buy now and hope it goes to 40,000, and you can just place your stop loss like around 26,000. But that's not a very good risk reward ratio, to be honest with you. Well, I mean, what was the all-time high? The all-time high was like 50,000. No, I guess it was 44,000. But yeah, it could go to 100k. It could certainly go to 100k. Yeah, the market cap is not even that high. So basically, a 100k would be 3 billion. So that's totally possible. Oh yeah, he didn't predict getting busted, did he? Well, if we break out of this channel, I mean, what is this channel like? 50%. So this could just go like 50% to what? To 60,000 or so. But I mean, there's a long way until we do that. It seems like Sushi Swap is just going to 1,100. But see, this 26 MIA is always such a good guideline. Like it's just when you have a when it's just going up, it just always defends this level here. I mean, maybe here it didn't, but more or less it did. So every time it goes down, it just spikes up. That's true. That's true. So yeah, I mean, every time this goes down below the 26 MIA or just about the 26 MIA, it's just spikes back up. So these are amazing entry levels. Like here, 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 all the way basically. And if we lose this 26 MIA, that's gonna be like the first sign that okay, now maybe we go down. But so far, this is just it's just gonna probably keep going up. This is the all-time high, right? Well, I mean, yeah, it is the all-time high. So all of these Sushi Swap, Uniswap, oops, all of those are doing so good right now. I mean, everything is doing really good right now besides Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is surprising because I thought Ethereum was I mean, I thought Ethereum was gonna be the first one to do good, and then the altcoins, but it seems to be the other way around. Like first altcoins and now. Yeah, no problem, Zoran. No problem. I hope your village stays safe and healthy with its new water. I'm not using Camtasia, bro, but I do use it. Oh yeah, Cardano as well. This one also had like a huge. Most of this just seems like it just seems like after XRP went to shit, all of these ones like Cardano, Stellar, they just went up. It just seems that way, huh? XRP, DT. Yeah, it kind of feels that way. Yeah, so XRP, just basically XRP died after December 20, and then just these ones just exploded. It's kind of like trying to be the new XRP. So maybe all the money that left XRP just went into these two coins. I mean, holding XRP right now seems like a crazy idea. I mean, you gotta be really tough to be an XRP holder right now. I mean, it could still go up. I mean, if the SEC I mean, if the court just says, okay, XRP is not a security, then it is gonna go up. But what if it doesn't? Or what if it takes like a year, which it probably will take like a few months, at least a few months. Like those decisions are not just gonna be like, oh, let's just do it in 1 week. I mean, there's a bit, and in the meantime, it's just all the exchanges are just absolutely destroying XRP. So, but yeah, Cardano is also doing quite well. I mean, again, even this one, you see the 26 MIA is like a great support level. Again, here, I mean, we did close a little bit below it, but wait, actually, I'm not even using the 26 MIA. I'm using the 21 MIA. That's probably why. Yeah, so now it works. Yeah, it seems like Binance will not stop the trading, but I mean, Binance US did stop, right? Yeah, Kraken, I don't know why they didn't. I also thought they would because they are US based and they were gonna have like a US bank or crypto bank soon. So it's weird that they didn't, but it could happen soon. But since it didn't already, maybe they know something that we don't. But it is kind of weird that they haven't delisted it yet. But I mean, if it happens at this point, I don't think it's gonna affect the price that much because it's already like so big that, and already everyone assumed that it was just gonna get delisted from everywhere. So it's probably priced in, but it's obviously not gonna be good. I mean, at the end of the day, it could just it could just get delisted from like literally every single exchange, and you just can't buy it anymore. But anyways, guys, it's getting a little bit late here, so I'm gonna be wrapping it up. Thank you for joining. 12 viewers. That's a personal record. No, McAfee is not going to eat his private parts anymore. He might be eating other private parts in jail, but not his own. He said he wouldn't, but well, I mean, Bitcoin was close to get to hit 100,000, kind of. All right, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go now.